Good afternoon, my crafty friends. This is Debbie with the Yarn Market, and today I am doing the hashtag 2025 CWP 49, and the prompts dancing. This is a sticker out of the antiquarian sticker book. Little girl dancing. Anything summer. So I did flowers, and then I also did the 3 butterflies for the 3 of something. And then it says either side of a playing card. So I did the 3 of clubs. And this is an eating or cooking utensil. I did a little whisk, just a little paper whisk I cut out. And then a short word. I think I'm going to use the word we. From over here on, it's down here at the bottom. Okay, I got to keep this card out by me so I remember to do everything. Oh, this was last week's. Oh, I grabbed 2, didn't I? Okay, this one has nothing on it. Okay, let's see here. What are we going to put on here first, though? I think I'm going to put the paper on just so I have a background. I don't know. Let's see, could I get that off okay? Yeah, these are not have high adhesive on them. I think they purposely did that. So this is just a dictionary contents page. Maybe I'll use that side. Because you know this paper is very thin. I just want to give it a background of something. See, I don't think I'm going to have to cut around those stickers. I don't think it's going to be necessary. So let's get some glue stick. Thinking about maybe kind of trying to wrinkle it up a little bit to get some texture on there. And I'll probably, if it starts lifting, I'll put some of that liquid glue, art glitter glue on it. But I usually just wait to do that off camera if it, you know, starts coming up a little bit. The glue stick actually will keep it down, but I have a tendency to kind of miss. So let's see. Okay, I have to kind of go this way with it, or I'm not going to. Are we getting any wrinkles at all? You know, now if I didn't want wrinkles, I would get wrinkles. You know, that's just the way of the world. Let's see, maybe I can get a few more up in here. There we go. To me, I just like a nice vanilla, I guess, background. So like I know when I have pieces, and it's like, I don't know, if it's going to actually cover the whole page, because that's just, a calendar page, and I do want to cover it. I know everybody does theirs a little bit different. Okay, sticking. I'll go around those corners a little better a little bit later. Okay, get that out of the way. All right, I think I'm going to give it a rub down with the bone folder. Oops, squeaky. I think this kind of helps a little bit too to really get that to adhere to the other paper there. There we go. And those wrinkles are actually down really nice and smoothly. I think I'm gonna run out this distress here. This is walnut stain. I don't know how much is showing up, but just a little bit, just to highlight the ridges that I made. I don't even know if they're going to be showing or not. We shall see. Okay, so we have the dancing girl, we have the butterflies, the wreath. Okay, where'd the other butterfly go to? Oh, there it is. Not sure exactly where I want to put anything yet. I'm just gonna kind of just place them maybe around. Like I said, these don't, they're not real sticky, so they're not gonna hurt anything. Let's see, should I have her in the middle? Could I have her on the card? Now this card's really super white. Okay, I think I'm gonna have to break out the walnut stain here. Yeah, it is picking it up. I didn't know if it would do that or not. Because it's slick. It has that slick kind of plasticky feel to it. And then I can always go with like a wet wipe if I, feel I got too much on here. Which I kind of like it a little bit heavy. And take some of that off. Now I have some interesting marks on here now. So let's see, maybe if I do it like that, I kind of like her on there. She has like a little purpley kind of background that I didn't cut off, so. Oh, I'm gonna get some glue on her. Now the whisk. Oh, maybe she could hold the whisk, huh? Make it look like she's holding the whisk. I'll think about that. And let's see. Oh, the summer. I mean, this reminds me of summer, definitely. So let's see here. Kind of want this off center though. Where's the hole? The holes are over there. Okay. Oh, I could cut that. Maybe it could go under her and around her. I don't know if I can do make it look like she's holding it. Oh, I guess a little bit I could. Oh, we'll see. Maybe we'll put it in the flowers. Well, this one seems like it's going to go really quickly here. Like a lot of my, I got this all out of sticker book, so. I mean, even the whisk came out of the sticker book. It was just, it wasn't part of the sticker. So, sticker area, I guess I should say. Let's see here. Get her on there. That way I know she's down, stuck. Now this was the part I think I'm gonna cut apart, tear apart. I like when her in there. Well, I don't know. We'll just put it on there. How about that? We're just gonna lay it down and then put her on there. Yeah, I like that. I just like it like that. I thought it was gonna be fancy. No fancy today. There we go. I like that she really does look like she's dancing. And then the butterflies, and then the whisk. Maybe just put it that way. Oh wait, the holes are over here. Keep forgetting. Maybe just move her over just a little bit the other way then. There we go. And then the flowers are for something summer. Yeah, okay. There we go. It's definitely going to take some of this liquid glue on this shiny card. Shiny playing card. I'll probably have it squish out all over the place too. There we go. Kind of want to just pull this back away from this edge here where it opens up. I hope you guys are having a great day crafting or maybe sewing, crocheting. This is a good time of the year when it's cooler to crochet, because I know having all of that yarn on your lap is gets very warm. Let's see, just trying to make sure the card's down. Okay, I think it's down. Okay, we'll just go in. This is just gonna go in with some glue stick. It's just paper. I've learned too not to get too caught up in the, you know, searching for items, because then you just, I think, just drive yourself crazy. There's a whisk for that cooking utensil. Okay, I like that distress showed through there. And then now I'm just going in with the butterflies. You know what? I think I am going to add some black thread for the butterflies. We're going to have that on there. In fact, I think what I'm going to do is just put it at the top, or maybe kind of around or something. Just like one long piece. Oh, I got to remember the word, the short word. I just thought of that. Short word. So this is what I mean. I'm just going to kind of put it up here and then just place the butterflies on there. I definitely have to use some liquid glue. This helps hold down the yarn also. The thread. There we go, there's that one. I'm gonna pull some over, maybe just a little bit. And there's this one. Okay, there's another one. Oh, there it is. It's on the page. I see it now. Okay. Kind of maybe turn it just a little bit. I hope you guys are doing challenges or just, you know, having fun with your any collaging, or maybe do more of scrapbooking. Okay, I mean, this is loose right here, but it's down, so that's good. Okay, there we go. There's that. And that word, I gotta remember the word. So I did add a little extra, but you know, it's your, just gonna see if I can tone that down just a little bit. I think this just helps to kind of just make it look cohesive, like, oh, you belong there. The butterflies aren't so bad. Okay, this word, it says a short word. This is also a small word. So I just thought that would be cool to put "we" on there somewhere. I'm gonna put it right there. Now this should stick pretty good. These is a little bit higher adhesion on there. So let's see here. Now I kind of don't like that there. I don't know, huh? Let's see if I can pull this off with tweezers, maybe. Oh, might damage it. Oh, I did. My goodness, look what I just did. Didn't damage my page, but I damaged the word. Okay. Okay, I changed my mind. I didn't like it there. Oh, the paper just a little bit. Not too bad. Oh, you know what? She's on here. Small. What other towel? I just didn't like that on there. Two is a short word. Or, oh, you know, up. I think up goes better with it. Because she's got these items up. Okay, that looks better there. All right, I'm using the liquid glue so it is not coming up. Okay, maybe I just didn't like the placement. I think that must have been it. It says up, short word. Okay, there we go. Hope you guys enjoyed it. That's it for this session. And until next time, you guys, happy crafting, and thank you for all the likes and shares and comments, the subscriptions. I see I checked yesterday. It was, I believe, 355, 56, something like that. So thank you so much for that. And you guys, till next time, happy crafting. Have a great day. Bye-bye.